Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I usually upload videos of my crafts on this channel, but this time I really wanted to share with you this amazing thing that I just discovered a few days ago. So I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers a few days ago, and she was showing this amazing thing that is a nail printer. So it's a little device that you use with a cartridge to print different designs on your nails. So it really intrigued me, and I usually paint my nails very quickly because I don't have the time, and I definitely would love to go into my nails at a salon, like with complex designs, but it takes a long time for me, and I just never got to do that ever before now. But like I said, I thought in the beginning, what a cool design, what a cool device. But then I slept on it, and I woke up next morning and I really still wanted it very badly, so I got it. I got this one off Amazon. It's not the actual product that the YouTuber was describing, but very, very similar to that one. So here it is. Here is me unboxing it. As you can see, I'm taking out all the items that are inside. There's a cartridge, there's the device itself, the plug-in cable, and also nail polish. It's a pre-coat, so you use it after you put your nail polish on. So here I'm using, it says in the instructions to use a clear coat, a base coat, and then white nail polish, because the printer can do all colors except white. So if there's white in the design, the printer will not be able to print it. So you need to have a very white, like a white coat before you apply any design. And then there's the pre-coat that you use on your nails after your white coat has dried. And I also showed you a black nail polish that I was thinking to use, but in the end I haven't used it in this video. After you print the design, you go back to the base coat and you apply final coat, so everything is glossy. So here is me doing my base coat first. So have you guys ever heard of these printers? Because for me it was the first time. I never imagined this thing existed. It never even crossed my mind until I saw it a few days on YouTube. But the idea of doing sophisticated nail designs at home, it's really, really impressive. I tried to research on the internet, like how old, like when did these machines first came out, and I couldn't really find information. But yeah, I think they're pretty new. I mean, I don't think they were here 10 years ago, but maybe, I don't know. What do you guys think? So here I'm using the white coat of nail polish, and as you can see, it's just basic white. Now this didn't come inside the package. I just bought it off Amazon, as Amazon suggested to get it together with the device. So the printer basically comes with a cartridge and instructions and the pre-coat. So you'll have to get your nail polish by yourself, and I think you can use other colors too, but like I said, if there is white in the design, the printer, it says in instructions, cannot print white, so you'll have to take that into account. So after the white polish, nail polish has dried, I'm using the pre-coat that came. This will help the machine read your nail, because you'll see later on. So after this one dries, there is an app, so you connect the app to the device, and then that's where you work your designs out. So how it works is that you connect it through Wi-Fi. So one thing that I was slightly disappointed in is that this device does not connect through Bluetooth, but through Wi-Fi. So you can see here the app. So I know it's in Japanese, and I'm sorry for that. I did check afterwards to see if I can put it in English, and I couldn't find any settings. So yeah, but you can choose from different styles, and there's like natural, feminine, cool, gorgeous, something like that, to those categories. Or you can also select by color. And then what I liked most about this app is that you can actually select each finger and change the design for each finger, and then save it, and you don't have to go back and choose a different design every time. It's really cool to use it like this. And so what I did was to choose some Japanese motifs, and as you can see, I just changed the ring finger design, because that's what I usually do when I do my nails. So when I go into my design, you can see it's saved right there, so I could just go ahead and print it. So what I did next was to just open the app and send design to the machine via Wi-Fi. And then what it does is, like, you select each finger that you want to print, and then you put your finger inside the machine, and it just locks your finger there. So the point is not to move very much. And then you have a camera inside the machine that you can see through the app, so you know how exactly to position your finger, so the printing will become very, very easy. So there's a few adjustments you can make. You can even change the position of the design, or zoom in and zoom out on it. And then when you feel like everything is set and it looks good on your nail, then you can hit print, and it will print the design on your nail. And it literally takes only 10 seconds to print this design on your nail, which is really, really amazing. So when the machine stops, you can just take your finger out and check the design out, which is really cool. And you can see how easy it is to use it even as a beginner. I just was really impressed how the nail came out. It's slightly off on the right side, but it's just the first try, so I was really, I'm really impressed with it. So going on with the next finger, so you select from the design which finger you're actually printing on, and then again you make the adjustments, and when everything looks good, you just print. You just hit the print button, and then it will print on your finger. And again, it looks even better than the first one. So with each finger that you print, you'll get a better feeling of the machine, of the app, of how to position your finger inside. So by the time you do your first round of nails, you will know exactly what to do and how to do it, and it's really, really easy. So one other thing, one amazing thing that I haven't tried here was you can actually upload a photo from your photo gallery, and it will print it on your nail. And I tried off camera, but I forgot to take a picture, so I did try to take I did print 2 photos. One I took outside with a tree and flowers, and I have to tell you, it looks gorgeous, simply gorgeous. So this is the ring finger that printed with contrasting black and Japanese flower motifs, and it looks amazing. And then my the last finger, and I haven't done the other hand on camera, but you will see the results at the end. So here I'm just adding another topping coat, a clear coat for a shiny look. And as you can see, all the nails are done and they look amazing. For a first try, it's just really amazing how easy it is and how fast this was. And there are actually other machines out there that are more expensive, and there are other machines that are less expensive. This one was like in the middle ground, and because I'm not such a nail holic, so to say, it's just sometimes I want to do some cool nails, so that's why I chose this one. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye.